Hello my angels, my dears, I'm Angel. Welcome to my channel and to another video. Now as you all know, the holidays are coming up, the Christmas holiday, and I know a lot of you looking for recipes to use to prepare for your family as they gather for the holiday. The next few videos for my channel will be videos of sides, of entrees, and of desserts for the holidays. I hope these videos will help you prepare for your holiday celebration. Go through them, choose the ones that you like or you think your family will like. I'm sure you'll be able to find some dishes, some sides, some entrees that you'll be able to use for your holiday meal. All right? Well, enjoy your holiday, everyone. I love you. Please be a blessing to people and Merry Christmas. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting.
I use a food scale or a food service scale to measure out the flour as you see here. And you can find this in any kitchen supply store.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnuts roasting. Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
That's what Christmas is all about.
Up on the housetop, reindeer paws. Out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys. All for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who
For the life of me, I couldn't find a rolling pin. So you see me here improvising. I took an extra virgin olive oil bottle, sanitized it, cleaned it, dried it, and I'm using it as my rolling pin.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
Up on the housetop, reindeer paws. Out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys. All for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop.
Thank you so much for staying to the very end. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share if you haven't already. Subscribe to my channel. And please, be sure to be the blessing to someone. Come back tomorrow to see what I have next for your holiday dish. And as always, many blessings and much favor until we meet again. And I'll see you tomorrow.